Beneath this bare and arid land lies an untold fortune. Uranium. Over $80 million worth from this mine alone. The lifeblood of what was once a thriving community of 1,100 people. Here we go, guys. Gone for a little bit of a drive out of Mary Kathleen, haven't we?
Mary Kathleen, yep.
And Mary Kathleen's not the only ghost town around. There's quite a few. So this one is Fountain Springs. Check out the view. Hopefully you can get it. We'll get some good drone footage of it. But yeah, what do you reckon?
Pretty spectacular. Nature at its best.
Hard at work, Rosie?
I want to eat tonight.
You want to eat tonight, so that means I'm going to have to do a camp oven.
Yep, absolutely. Beautiful. Thank you.
Alright, suppose I'm doing a camp oven. What do you want in the camp oven?
Roast beef.
Sounds like you've gone out and bought it already.
I have. You just have to make it happen.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright, well let's hope the other two get here and I'll get it all fired up and happening.
Beautiful.
Wow, look what the cat dragged in. G'day.
G'day.
G'day. So, how are we going to do this camp oven? We're going to use the classic steam and cook, I guess you'd call it. So what we do with that, I do have a trivet in the bottom there. Fair bit of water. Roz has got the meat up in there.
Here it is.
And what are you going to do with that?
It'll go into one of these nice deep alfoil dishes.
That'll keep the camp oven nice and cool. Clean, sorry,
Clean.
not cool.
And then we'll put a combination of Stubbs and Bullseye sauces onto it.
There's a pattern forming here. Everything that we do on the camp oven's either got Stubbs or the Bullseye.
That's because the flavours are good.
Okay, it must be.
We wouldn't use them if they weren't.
What does Lena call it? Her sticky sweet
Sticky
sauce.
sauce.
So how are you preparing it? You just literally shoving it in the pan?
Literally just throw it in there.
Let's see if I can get a better view.
Like so.
Yep, you putting any salt and pepper or anything on it, or are you just going to whack the sauce?
No, I think the sauces have enough flavours in them, so we'll just whack the sauces on them and we'll go from there.
Alright, and then the rest is up to me, I suppose, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So I've had this fire going for a little bit. There's a concrete slab under it, so that'll be nice. What we're going to do, not too much, we'll just whack a few coals on the top, because this is one of those Southern Metal Spinners camp ovens, nice and light. And they don't need much heat to cook either, which is good. And I've got the second fire there, so I can get some more coals on it. So, straight on there like that. Time to crack a tinny.
This road here, and that's what would have stood over there.
This little brick thing is a fountain.
That's pretty cool.
What gets me is, what is that car worth today? I think that might be an FC Holden station wagon. Well, look at that.
Go here. Sit.
The old school.
So here we go. How many nights have we been here?
This will be our 4th night.
4th night, Mary Kathleen. And this is what we're having for dinner. Sorry, Hayden Grace, this was in the freezer, but we held out on you.
We didn't.
Beef spare ribs. Anyway, I'll actually get a video, a photo of this finished.
Yeah, the
this
other one.
time.
Dinner was too good the other night.
Yeah.
It just got eaten.
But anyway, I'll whack her on. It's 2 o'clock now, and slow cooking for the rest of the evening up till about 6, 7 o'clock. Beautiful. So we're back after a 120 kilometre round trip.
It's now 8:15.
That's alright. Seen other people's videos are eating this time of night.
Later, yes.
Yeah. So, got a new air fryer. Wedgies are done. And the ribs, absolutely divine.
Beautiful.
So there you go. It's not a problem. It's a hurdle you got to overcome.
Pretty much. Enjoy.
There you are, you're on. And look at that. We're there talking shit.